In under 15 minutes, we'll install SimpliSafe step by step. Step 1. Unbox. Check your kit: base station, keypad, sensors, power adapter, and batteries. Place the base station centrally near your router and an outlet. Plug it in, power on, then open the SimpliSafe app to begin setup. Follow app prompts to add your base station and name your location. Step 2. Mount the keypad, insert batteries, and complete keypad pairing. Step 3. Install door and window sensors. Clean surface, peel adhesive, press firmly. Step 4. Mount motion sensors about 7 to 8 feet high, angled down. Step 5. Position cameras for clear views. Plug in and pair to the app. Step 6. Test every sensor in the app using walk and open tests. Enable backup options, add emergency contacts, and place stickers visibly. You're done. Arm the system, save your setup, and check the quick guide.